Okay, so we have this gate that's giving some trouble. They just installed it not long ago. As you can see, the power line all the way through this landmark right here to the right, where the actual yellow plug right here. And then they actually built this concrete structure for the basketball, and they actually distract the line, or they broke the line. Something happened here, so they run another line, but it doesn't really help. The batteries keep dying, and we're probably going to need to change it for a solar harness, solar panel, and change the batteries probably. So let's see.